Alright everybody, so as you can see, we've been pulling up some nails. These are the nails that they had holding down the old hardwood floor. We're pulling them up one by one, pretty slowly. I'm using this here Bridgeport nail puller. It's about 100 years old. My dad let me borrow this, or he gave it to me to use. And it's pretty neat. It's actually doing very well. I'll show you guys an example here. Let's see. So you got these nails here. They don't have much of a head on them. So when you use a hammer or something, as you can see, they don't really like to grab. Alright, so a little bend to them makes it easier. Take it and it extends for more leverage there. And then you pivot, and the harder you press on it, the harder it squeezes it. Pulls it right out there. So yep, Bridgeport, made in the USA. Old tool, but still works just as good. So we're getting these nails out, and what my problem is here, I think I've showed you guys before, but they decided to cut the subfloor at the floor joist. I guess they had a problem here, it got wet. As you can see, they have plywood down here. So they cut them at the floor joist, and when the hardwood floor was down, you could see the floor was sagging real bad right here and over there. When they cut them at floor joist, they did not secure it, they didn't support it any under it. So what we're going to do is take, those are 2x8s there. What I'm going to do is get a level over here, long ways with the subfloor here, and we are going to go up under, or I am, and get a 2x6 and put it parallel with that floor joist there, and use a bottle jack to lift it up until somebody's up here telling me that this floor is level, and then I'm going to screw it into the side of that floor joist there. And I'm probably going to just cut 4-foot sections and do 4 foot at a time to make it a little bit easier, so I can only use one bottle jack and everything. So yeah, pretty good. I got this piece cut out because I wanted to go up under there and check it out. I don't remember again if I told you guys this, but we heard some things about how it might be up under the house and everything with the sewage and all that, the septic, and decided I wanted to look. So cut this out, went down there. It looks great. They have moisture barrier down there. All the pipes are insulated and everything like that. Everything that you would want. So somebody's went through there and did it right. Now we got a little dirty because we swept a little bit of dirt on top of it, but not gonna hurt anything. So there's that. So we're gonna keep on getting at these nails, and I will show you one more thing. As you see, there's a countertop here. We went and picked this up today, but not just this. I'll show you guys what else we have. There we go. Saw these on Facebook, and we decided to scoop them up. Got 2 cabinets there, some countertop. That's part of the sink countertop, as you can see, with the little fake drawers here. And some more counters, another cabinet. Those are from Sue, a family friend of ours. We already had them. We're going to do something with them. Maybe there'll be a little storage here for grading or something. We'll figure something out. But yeah, so I got some cabinets and counters. That is very nice to have. It also came with a sink here, faucet. And the crazy thing is the man had them on there yesterday, and they had the knobs and everything. But he was doing a demo on a house, and he was putting in a new kitchen for the person. And while he left that night, they had took the knobs and everything off. And I guess he didn't want to false advertise or whatever, so he was good enough. He didn't have to do it now, but he went to Home Depot and got all new handles and knobs and everything to make it right, because he didn't want to advertise that it had knobs on everything on it, but then it didn't when we got there. So that's kudos to him. That was, you know, really nice of him. Pretty straightforward, straight shooter, so that's awesome. But there we go. So we're making some progress. And another thing, as I did not notice, is as you can see, there's quite a bit of cabinets and stuff here, and there's still quite a bit of room in this room. So I thought that there might be an issue with the size of the rooms and everything, but for a little 2-year-old, or maybe 3-year-old when he gets in here, I think this is plenty of room. It's gonna work out pretty good. I was imagining a twin size bed wouldn't be much wider than this cabinet here, or counter here, so he'd still have plenty of room to play with his toys and everything, so I'm pretty excited about that. We still got some windows to do here. As you can see, we got new windows in there. I gotta pull these cabinets down. I'm gonna keep that lip there. We did the measurements, and those cabinets in there will fit perfectly up under there, so it's gonna work out good. Those counters I showed you come right up to the bottom of the window there. I mean, couldn't ask much more. As far as the hot water heater, we're gonna probably have to make something there. Do a step up in the corner there. We'll figure that out, but I'm not too worried about that. We'll get that taken care of. And last, I believe I'm going to keep the wood wall here on this wall. The reason is they have these boards up here. That's not sheetrock or drywall or anything, but they can be cleaned up and painted and mudded over a little bit and look decent. That would save me from putting drywall up there and everything, so that's what we'll do there. And this side, when we butt up, it should butt up fine. You know, just put a little molding there. So yeah, I'm going to keep this wood on this wall here. Now this wall is coming out. When we fix this floor, we're going to bring this wall out to here. That'll make my bathroom a little bit bigger. And then we'll also bring it out square, like it probably was at one time. And that'll help cover up this one little spot here. You know, little stuff. We do have pieces to fill that in, but I mean, we can just cover that up and do what we're going to do. Whether I decide to do a tile or whatever in the bathroom. So give us more space in the bathroom, which is always good. And that'll work out perfect. So need some windows there. Don't know exactly what kind of window I'm going to do there. I might just do one sliding window. Haven't figured that out yet. Need a door there. And need a window there, there, and there. And then that'll be good. And as I told you guys before, this is going to be walled in. I think Graydon and I both would probably want our privacy a few years from now, so we'll make that happen. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna get back to it and start pulling some more nails up, and I hope you guys enjoyed the little update. I know it's been a few months since I've actually put a video on, and I've been slacking. Got a lot going on, had a lot going on through the holidays and everything. Life kind of went on another track I wasn't expecting to go on, but that is life for sure. So I'm gonna try to keep rolling on with this place, and I'll keep sharing more with you guys. I still appreciate all y'all for watching, and means a lot when you do like this and everything, so I'll be sure to try to get back on it for you. Alright, let's see if I can show you something else real quick. We got a mess back here. That's the old countertop. It was pretty beat up and everything. This is what I'm talking about, guys. We have a mess now. If you have seen my dad's channel, though, we have a little tractor now. He does. That might help out some here. We'll see if we can't talk him into sliding it down here and maybe doing a little bit of work, or let me rent it from him. As you see, though, there's a lot of trash, and look at that. That is just yeah. A lot to do there. I don't even know, don't even like coming back here looking at this, but as you guys see, they didn't really like dump too much. They just like to take everything, throw it in this little building here. And I know it doesn't look like it, but the building is actually pretty sound. I feel like, you know, it does have a floor, so if we got it to the point to where we can get everything out of it, lift the back of it up, if we see that it's still structurally good and everything, lift the back of it, get us some blocks, and maybe able to put some more tin on it, fix a couple places on it, and put some walls on it, maybe get some more siding and cover it like my house, and yeah, I might be able to park my four-wheeler in it, do whatever, have some tools in there. So I don't know, it did have a meter ran to it. If you guys can see that, that's an old meter. So yeah, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But as you guys see, this is just completely unnecessary. Just to show you guys what I have ahead of me this summer. One more thing here is I'm going to ask if any of you guys have a cover for this. It is approximately 13 inches tall and 11 inches wide. It is a Durham company. I need a meter cover for this. I really hate to tear everything down. We already have it put up like we want it and everything. I need to clean it up and repaint it and make it look neat and everything, but I do need that meter cover before I can get the power cut on. So if any of you guys might have one, I'll be happy to buy it from you. Just check out your little sheds, maybe one sitting around. I'd appreciate that. Other than that, got some painting to do. Use the tractor here, do a little cleaning up. We figured out that this is not a septic system or nothing they use. I did find the septic system, the septic tank and everything. It is good. We're good to go there, so we need to just cover this up, do some filling, and do away with that. Got some phone line ran in here. They did that the other day. I had called them about it. I haven't paid them. I haven't gave them any kind of information, and yet they still put it in. So I don't know what that's about, but I told them that I didn't have power or anything. They want to put high-speed internet here, so trying to get my money already, but I'm probably going to need it because I have no cell phone service out here, which is a good thing. There's my view. Grass is already growing back. My big oak tree. Favorite part about the whole place. Yep. Wraparound driveway, technically. I'm going to show you guys probably tomorrow the straightening of this pole, because somebody, not me, ran into it and gave it a little lean there, so we'll lean her back over and do some tamping around it and get it back where it needs to be. There we go. Everything's starting to grow back and bloom and everything, so a lot prettier outside. I should definitely be able to show you guys more. Again, I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope to be able to show you a lot more soon, because I'm definitely going to have to get on this place. Take care everybody, and I hope you like this, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll show you more. Thank you guys. Bye bye.